Here we are at the Festo headquarters in Stuttgart, Germany, and I'm here with my didactic manager, Greg James from Canada. Hey Greg, it's a pleasure to be here.
Thanks, Neil. Yeah, okay, so you're outside our didactic headquarters here in Denkendorf.
Right.
It's one of two in the area, so we basically have our didactic team here.
Right.
And we're going to visit the industrial automation headquarters in Berkheim tomorrow. So in the lobby here, we have a variety of different products set up, and come on in. And
yeah, let's take a look. Nice facility. So Greg, what do we have on this board?
So this is our new electrical range. So we've talked to Humber about this before. Up the top is basically like a DC AC circuit trainer.
Oh, I see.
Right? And then we get into some more advanced control elements, so analog components as well. So basically the range is modular.
Right.
Or modular, I should say. So basically you kind of start with the basic fundamentals.
Yes.
You can get the power supply either separate or integrated into the board.
Right.
And then what happens is you can buy the component sets separately and basically kind of plug and play them onto the board from there.
So, all right, let's see what you got on this bin. This looked like a little more on the high voltage side, Greg.
A little more on the high voltage side. So once again, an extension of the electrical engineering trainers.
Right.
Like any product with Festo now, we're basically integrating Tech to Screen.
Right.
Which is our new iPad application for the variety of different systems. So available for the pneumatic and hydraulic, as well as on the electrical range now. So
very good.
A little more on the high voltage side, and then we get into specialty items like servos,
yep,
steppers, and motor controls.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Actually, so this is that basic circuit breadboard trainer I was telling you about. And basically it's hooked up to the iPad.
Yes.
And what it does is it eliminates you having to use
an oscilloscope.
Yeah. It's all integrated into the iPad app. So you look at all the products. Basically it's going to largely hinge around Tech to Screen in the future for learning aids. So maybe as opposed to ordering our textbook courseware, you're ordering your teachware on the new Tech to Screen.
Wow, very good. Very interesting.
So this is similar to the system that you ordered.
Yes.
You ordered the pneumatic line trainer.
Yes.
But this is on the hydraulic side. So once again, this is a really good example of Tech to Screen and how it's used again. So basically it's interfacing with the mechanical components.
Yes.
Right? And providing you closed loop feedback on the,
yes.
On the hydraulic system.
Excellent.
Right?
Very good. Very good.
So on the hydraulic side, two different systems. We basically have industrial hydraulics.
Right.
But one of the things we recognized in industry was the fact that there's a need for mobile hydraulic trainers.
Right.
Because largely the School of Transportations are using real-life equipment.
Yes.
The footprint on this real-life equipment actually takes up a large degree of space.
Yes.
So Festo's developed a new mobile hydraulic package, right?
Right.
And what the package allows you to do is hydrostatic, steering, a variety of different mobile hydraulic applications as well. Right?
Very good.
So here's your new
pneumatic application, yes.
All right. So moving forward, as Tech to Screen gets developed once again, you can envision your stations. We outfitted them with this extension table.
There you go.
Perhaps you can now have a Tech to Screen hanging off the side of it, interfacing the components.
Right.
And you're basically kind of making the training packages a little more pertinent and relevant to current life tools such as an iPad. Right?
Yes.
So looking into the future for your innovation lab, maybe that's going to be a nice fit.
A nice fit.
Forward.
Very good. Excellent.
So we talked about your troubleshooting and basically having kind of a hardwired PLC system.
Yes.
So in this case, this is what we're going to be replicating.
Yes.
We're going to be supplying you with basically the IOs.
Yes.
And then you fill it in
with the PLC.
You got it. So a little more traditional hardwiring so the students can actually work in both environments.
Yes.
Safety plugs.
Right.
And then basically transfer over to field wiring as well.
So it would look similar to this.
Very similar to this
side. Very good.
So it gives you complete flexibility to integrate, basic
as well as
Tech to Screen.
Tech to Screen. Oh, very good. Excellent. So.